time to get all of this cleared out. I may not get it all done today, but we're going to take out all of the weeds. You can see right up in there, all down in through here. And there I am again. Get all of this cleared out so that we have a nice place to walk, less weed overgrowth, and then we don't have to deal with all of this creeping up and around over time. So that is the plan for today. Hope all of you are well. Stay tuned. Watch the progress. And this is the part of the episode that is not suitable for some viewers. So here we go. Let's turn you around. Right. If I'm not mistaken, I've got a snake egg here, and I'm wondering if that's what I'm finding. So far, I've been tearing up snake eggs. Doing this one-handed's a little interesting. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see that. I've got sun in my eyes here, but it does look like somebody came over here and decided to try and turn our garden into a nice little hatchery. Found that one, and here's another one, a little bit smaller. Looks like I hadn't hacked that one to bits. So it's probably a very good thing that I came over here when I did, because otherwise we were going to be finding an entire brood of snakes, which is not super ideal at the moment. I'm gonna cross my fingers. I don't think, from what I can tell, I don't think that these are rattlesnakes. We have had rattlesnakes back here in the past, but kind of hard to tell now that they're kind of all torn up and hacked up and all of that jazz. So wish me luck. I'm gonna clear this out as best I can. Check for more eggs, because who doesn't want to check for snake eggs on there during their week? This girl did not. That's who. Alright, hi guys, how are you? I think I'm going to call it good for the day. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I did manage to get done. It's not complete by any means. I'm going to need some more wood chip for sure, and I selected a cypress wood chip for the ground all the way around, primarily because cypress is one of the really good woods for keeping bugs at bay, and it's a really nice soft medium to walk on, so it's going to need probably probably 2 more inches all the way around, 4 in some places, depending upon how low it is. I didn't really fully tear up the weed structure, like I didn't dig down deep into the earth unless there was a really big weed plant that needed to come up, because I didn't want it pushing through the weed barrier. I did go ahead and I put down an all-natural biodegradable weed barrier before I did this, and hopefully that's going to work for us. We shall see. Everything is sort of an experiment, but for the most part we're trying not to tear up the biostructure. Bleh, can't even talk at this point. Hydrating. Trying not to tear up the biostructure underneath, but also trying to get rid of what I found out is Bermuda grass. We have a ton of it. It is invasive. It's a pain in my mashugana, especially when you don't use chemicals. Yeah, it's my least favorite weed at this point. Bermuda grass. So, I will end this little homestead vloggy thingy with a view of what I did accomplish over there, and I will see you guys next time. So, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. I love ya. Have a good week.